Welcome to Sindh Judicial Academy. It is about criminal trial. This session will explain how to record evidence of complainant in court of law. This video will facilitate to judges, advocates, and prosecutors. I am Muhammad Shahid Shafiq, District and Sessions Judge. Presently part of Sindh Judicial Academy. You have been provided police file. Identify relevant documents and prepare examination in chief of the complainant and also produce necessary documentary by marking exhibit. Judge should observe. To ensure that prosecutor does not put leading questions to witness. That question should be short. That question must be relevant. Question should be clear. Answer should be clear. That witness has understood question. Demeanor of witness must be written down if necessary. It means attitude, appearance, or behavior. Read this question and answer carefully. You left police station along with investigation officer on July 5, 2019. Is it correct way to put question the examination in chief? No. This fact may be asked in this way. When did you leave police station along with investigation officer? I left police station on July 5, 2019 along with investigation officer. What was the time when you left police station? It was afternoon. When did you reach at place of arrest? It was 4 p.m. or 5 p.m. Witness took 30 seconds to answer. He looked to investigation officer and the prosecutor for come time to time. Judge to lead and ask for clarity of question. Read Article 161 of the Qanun-e-Shariat 1984. Judge can stop from putting irrelevant questions. Complete text of this video can be downloaded from youtube.com.